This Sony 4K UHD TV has moving vertical bars. However, we cannot repair this open seal panel because it is broken right below the sticker. We are going to change display here. Here, BOE UHD panel is being used. We will install LG panel. Rather than having mainboard with built-in T-con, it would be easier to replace screen in a TV with external T-con. It contains 51-pin connector in 4K TV, which makes installation very easy. That doesn't mean we can install every T-con UHD panels. There may either be blank screen or black and white picture issue. That's why T-con should match with open seal, otherwise do not use it. In most old model Sony TV, panel ID EEPROM was necessary, but nowadays Sony 4K TV do not necessarily contain panel ID. However, SL or STA should not be disturbed. It will definitely work at its best. Thank you for watching video. Please do like, comment and share.